Hello students, welcome to the class 4th of English Literature. Hope you all are fine at home. This is our first chapter and in our today's class I will narrate you a story from your book and the name of the chapter is The River Bank by Kenneth Grahame. Let's begin the story. This story revolves around the mole who has never really ventured beyond his own home. When chapter begins, it is the time of spring and the mole is at home. He is busy in his spring cleaning. He is not enjoying it. He is quite bored with that. But the new spring smells sweet and the sight of the budding green are everywhere about him. Now he cannot resist them. So, throwing aside his tools, his bucket, his mops, together with his ambition for cleaning, he leaves his little home under the ground and comes up to a lovely meadow. In meadow, he enjoys a lot. Mole runs and jumps. He runs across the meadows and the fields until he finally reaches a wide river. He never seen a river before. He becomes happy when he suddenly stands by the edge of river. As the mole watches here and there, he sees something in the opposite of river. That there is a small hole just above the water line. He wonders about the living in that hole. Then he sees a brown little face of water rat. Water rat is a friendly animal, so he brings his personal boat to Mole and invites him for a picnic on the river. Mole is excited because he'd never been in a boat before. Then Rat tells him, river is his world. For him it is his brother, his sister, his food and drink. It means river is everything for him. Then Mole asks him, what is there across this woodland? As they were floating down in the river, Rat tells him that there is a wild world beyond the wild wood. And we are bankers, so we don't go there because many wild animals live there and we don't trust them. And he also warned the mole against this wild world. So, by this chapter, we understand the poet wants to tell us about the freedom and beauty that can be obtained by the leaving stuffy cities and finding comfort in the land. Now, there are some word meanings. Splashes, drops of any liquid. Penetrating, coming through. Steep, rising suddenly. Scrapped, cleaned by rubbing with something sharp. Scrabbled, moved hands and feet about quickly. Truded, moved with fast bouncing steps. Fascinated, charmed. Caught his eye, brought to his notice. In the heart of, at the center of. Made fast, moved quickly, gingerly, carefully. Stern, the back part of a ship. Grass, an eatable plant with leaves. Weasels, a type of small flesh eating animal. Stoats, animals similar to weasels. I hope you have enjoyed this story. Thank you.